morning from the centre of Naples, guys, where we are currently in Napoli Centrale, which is the main train station here in Naples. We've just checked out of our hostel that we stayed in last night, and then later on today we're heading down to Sorrento, where we're going to be staying for 2 nights.
Our plan was simple. We had 3 days to make our way down to Sorrento, then along the Amalfi Coast, taking in as much as we possibly could along the way.
We're just getting off the coach and we're on our way up Mount Vesuvius, almost at the crater, and then we should get some amazing panoramic views of the cities around us. This is Herculaneum, which is similar to Pompeii in the respect that both towns were completely destroyed in the 79 AD eruption of Mount Vesuvius.
With Herculaneum behind us, we embarked on our journey to Sorrento, arriving just as the sun began its descent.
After a 5 AM wake-up call and a 1.5-hour bus journey, we finally made it to the Amalfi Coast.
Ending the day with a boat ride back to Sorrento was the perfect way to cap off our journey along the Amalfi Coast.
Good morning from our rooftop hostel here in Sorrento. Time is currently 7:30 AM.
Our third and final day would see us venture to Pompeii as our trip comes full circle, concluding in Naples where it all began.